Hi guys, come back again. This is my second video of the JDBC tutorials, and in previous video I mentioned all the tools we are going to use in these JDBC tutorials. But in the previous video I forgot to give all the description, how to download these things. But in the previous video description you can find in the YouTube, and I mentioned in this document also. You will get this document from my GitHub account, and I will give you my GitHub URL in this video description. And we'll start with the terminology of the JDBC. Here we go. Here we will start with what is server, and what is persist, and next one persistence technology, and next one what is client, and host, types of host, and what is URL, and one more, host information. And now we will start with the server. The server is a computer system or software which can provide some services based on the client request. And we have different kind of servers: web server, application server, and database server, etc. For the example, we can see the Tomcat server, or Oracle 10G, and the JBoss server. Server is a computer system or software which can provide services based on client request. And types of servers: Tomcat, and we have different type of Tomcat, different versions of Tomcat server, and we have JBoss server, and some other servers we have. And we'll start with persist. Like, persistence means storing your data permanently in the database or any file. But in the file we can say it is saving the data, but in persistence you are storing your data permanently in the DB. Permanently. And the next term, persistence technology. Persistent technology is the logic we use to save the data permanently. And next one, client. Client is someone like a lightweight application which is used to access the services provided by the server. Lightweight, light GHT, lightweight application which is used to access the services provided by the server. And the next term is host. Like, host is someone like who uh, who runs your application in the background. Is someone who runs your application comes to the types of host. uh, Localhost. Localhost means a server are running locally in the system. And remote host, exact term like local host for, I can say, a server application running locally in the system is known as localhost. Remote host, like okay, I forgot to give example Oracle 10G, which is running in personal laptop. And next one, the remote host. Remote is remote host is a server application running on a server machine, not in like your personal laptop. It is running in server machine. Okay. Next, URL. As the acronym of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It contains your URL. I mean, it means that it's a URL, and it consists your port number and host details, and all the details. And acronym Uniform Resource Locator contains port number and type of host. And last term, host information. The host information can be said like the information required to connect to the host is known as the host information. In the host information consists username, password, and as well as the URL. As username and password uh, is the two mandatory things to connect with the server, and the next one is the URL. To explain this host information, I will take one URL example, MySQL URL, JDBC colon MySQL colon localhost, and here the type of host and the port number I'm using 3306. And if you are using one database particularly, you can directly mention here which database you are using. In my MySQL server, I'm using Hibernate database, so here I'm directly given Hibernate database, and I'm giving my user name is root, and password is root. Here you can see in this URL and what type of server you are using, and logo, what type of host, local host or remote host, the port number, and which database you are pointing, and this is the username, and this is the password. and it is different for the different databases. Here this is the URL for MySQL server, and it is different for Oracle database, and it is different for the MongoDB, and as well as the PostgreSQL. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial, and in next tutorial I will explain how the JDBC architecture and how it is evolved, and advantages and disadvantages of the JDBC. And I'm saving the file. Okay, see you in next tutorial.